with the help of which of the following equations is the distance calculated from a known wavelength of the source and measured angle? A. Coolidge equation. B. Bragg's equation. C. Debye equation. D. Scherrer equation. The correct answer is Bragg's equation. Which of the following is the most common instrument for photographic recording of diffraction patterns? A. Debye-Scherrer powder camera. B. Gamma camera. C. Geiger tube. D. Scintillation counter. The correct answer is Debye-Scherrer powder camera. If the absorption of electromagnetic radiation by matter results in the emission of radiation of the same or longer wavelengths for a short time, the phenomenon is termed as which of the following? A. Luminescence. B. Fluorescence. C. Phosphorescence. D. Spontaneous emission. The correct answer is fluorescence. Prompt emission of X-ray by an atom ionized by a higher energy X-ray is a type of which of the following phenomena? A. Luminescence. B. Fluorescence. C. Phosphorescence. D. Spontaneous emission. The correct answer is fluorescence. If the absorption of electromagnetic radiation by matter results in the emission of radiation of the same or longer wavelengths for a long or a short time, the phenomenon is termed as which of the following? A. Luminescence. B. Fluorescence. C. Phosphorescence. D. Spontaneous emission. The correct answer is luminescence. The measurement of intensity of fluorescent X-rays provide a simple and way of analysis. A. Destructive quantitative. B. Non-destructive quantitative. C. Destructive qualitative. D. Non-destructive qualitative. The correct answer is non-destructive quantitative. In diffractometers, line intensities depend on and kind of atomic reflection centers in each set of plates. A. Number. B. Position. C. Length. D. Distance between lines. The correct answer is number. Diffractometers are similar to which of the following? A. Optical grating spectrometer. B. Prism spectrometer. C. Photomultiplier. D. Photovoltaic cell. The correct answer is optical grating spectrometer. If the absorption of electromagnetic radiation by matter results in the emission of radiation of the same or longer wavelengths for a long time, the phenomenon is termed as which of the following? A. Luminescence. B. Fluorescence. C. Phosphorescence. D. Spontaneous emission. The correct answer is phosphorescence. In diffractometer, the identification of a component of the sample from its powder diffraction pattern is based upon the of lines and their relative A. Number length. B. Number intensity. C. Position length. D. Position intensity. The correct answer is position intensity. In powder diffractometer, the sharpness of the lines is greatly determined by which of the following? A. Quality of the sample size of the slit. B. Quality of the slit size of the sample. C. Thickness of the slit amount of the sample. D. Number of slits composition of the sample. The correct answer is quality of the slit size of the sample. In powder method, the powder sample is contained in which of the following? A. Thin-walled glass capillary tubes. B. Thin-walled test tube. C. Thin-walled cuvettes. D. Thin-walled flask. The correct answer is thin-walled glass capillary tubes. In diffractometers, the intensities of the diffraction peaks of a given compound in a mixture are proportional to the fraction of the material in the mixture. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. When certain geometric requirements are met, X-rays scattered from a crystalline solid can constructively interfere with each other and produce a diffracted beam. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.